In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit SVG files in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to add professional graphics or simply want to customize images for your documents, mastering this technique can greatly enhance your Word skills. First, let's start by adding your SVG file into your Word document. You'll want to navigate to the Insert tab, which is located conveniently in the upper menu of your Word window. From there, select Pictures and choose this device. This option allows you to select the file from your computer. Once you have located your SVG file, click on it and then hit Insert. Your SVG will soon appear in the document, looking initially like a standard graphic or image. Now, with your SVG inserted, you'll want to click on it to ensure it's selected. This is crucial for the next steps. Once selected, proceed by right-clicking on the SVG. A menu will pop up, and from there, you'll choose the option reading Convert to Shape, or a similar option that appears, depending on your Word version. This conversion is a key step, as it changes the SVG from a static image into a collection of editable shapes. This transformation unlocks the potential for deeper customization. After converting your SVG into shapes, you might find that the image is grouped as one single object. To gain the flexibility needed for detailed edits, you should right-click on the graphic once more, then hover over Group and select Ungroup. Once you ungroup, each individual shape or path becomes independently editable. This sets the stage for you to modify the graphic to your heart's content. Now it's time to delve into editing. You can change the fill colors to suit your document's theme, or even adjust the outlines to make them stand out more. Perhaps you want to reposition some components. No problem. You can easily move these shapes around the page if needed. Once you've completed your edits and are satisfied, you might find it helpful to regroup these individual elements. Regrouping can significantly ease future adjustments and handling. Simply select all the shapes, right-click, and choose Group once more. This action streamlines the process, enabling you to move or resize the entire graphic without disturbing individual components. With these steps, you have not only inserted an SVG file into your document, but also modified it to align perfectly with your design goals. Feel free to experiment with different edits and transformations to fully explore the capabilities of Word's SVG handling. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!